Today's video review of the top 5 best folding treadmills. To find the best folding treadmills, we tested 5 of the most popular devices, using and evaluating them at home over the span of 1 month. Our editors, each with different gym, fitness backgrounds, health concerns, and lifestyle goals, tested 1 treadmill apiece. We assessed each device based on its noteworthy features for ease of setup, comfort, ease of use, accuracy, and value. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Xterra Fitness TR150 Treadmill. One of the best budget home gym equipment is a quality folding treadmill that can save you space and money. Xterra Fitness TR Folding Treadmill is sturdy, durable, and user-friendly with all of the basic features you need to get in a solid workout. We appreciate that it's easy to fold and compact enough for smaller spaces. Unlike Echelon's Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill, this product doesn't come fully assembled, but all we had to do was attach the 2 side rails and it was ready to go within minutes. After downloading the Xterra Plus app, which offers dozens of workout programs, it was easy to add multiple user profiles and user-specific fitness goals. We love that the metrics displayed on the treadmill's LCD screen automatically sync to the app for a convenient way to track your progress. We also like the 12 accessible preset programs for guided workouts. If you don't want to use the Xterra Plus app, you can also follow along to one of the treadmill's 12 pre-programmed workouts, or connect to third-party apps like Zwift and Kinemap. Like many other picks on our list, you can easily adjust the incline and speed from 2 access points, the front display and handlebars. But while most products go up to 12 miles per hour and offer 15 incline levels, it's important to note that this one maxes out at 10 miles per hour and 10 incline levels. Still, we think it has enough features to make it a great bang for your buck. Number 2. Echelon Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill. Echelon's Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill helped us boost daily step count and limit hours of physical inactivity because it's easy and enjoyable to use. This product stands out from competitors for its metric tracking, connectivity features, and powerful performance, all within a compact footprint and at a pretty competitive price. Within minutes of receiving the fully assembled treadmill, it was ready to use. All we had to do was unfold it, plug it in, and attach smaller accessories like the safety key and phone holder. It's easy to connect to the Echelon Fit app, where you can purchase a membership for as low as $29.16 divided by month to get access to thousands of on-demand workouts and 40+ daily live classes. If you don't want the added fees, you can choose from 8 pre-programmed workouts. But we found most of these to be best suited for runners, not walkers. If guided workouts aren't for you, you can also stream your favorite shows from your own device, thanks to the convenient tablet and phone holder that's built into the treadmill for easy viewing. We love that helpful, motivating metrics are clearly displayed on the touchscreen and can be tracked directly on the treadmill, on Apple Health, or from your Apple Watch. And we also appreciate that the speed and incline buttons are easily accessible on the treadmill's touchscreen and handrails. While many of the treadmills on our list take up a fixed spot in your space, we appreciate that the Stride folds flat to just 10 inches tall and can be stored under your bed, couch, or against a wall. Although it has vertical and horizontal transport wheels, it's important to note that during our test the machine was too heavy for us to move far from where we unfolded it. Number 3. Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill. Despite its large footprint and heavy-duty design, Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill is incredibly user-friendly. The speed and incline adjustment knobs are accessible mid-run, and there are even preset levels to easily tailor your workouts. We appreciate how simple it is to connect to popular training apps like Peloton, Zwift, Nike Run Club, and more, and prop up your own device on the convenient holder to stream shows from your favorite platforms. Unlike our best overall pick, Echelon's Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill, this machine doesn't fold flat, so it's not the best option for smaller spaces. But if you're a runner with the space and budget, you might opt for this pick because it has ample features, lots of storage, greater incline range, a powerful fan, a larger running deck, a USB port for device charging, integrated speakers, and more. This treadmill helped to motivate us to run and maintain endurance levels during cold winter months. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. We love NordicTrack's Commercial 2450 folding treadmill for its stunning display, sleek design, durability, and eye-fit integration. Our tester, who wears contacts and typically has to squint to read screens, found the 22 inches HD touchscreen clear and easy to read with helpful metrics always accessible on screen. We also love that you can tilt and pivot the display if you want to take your workout off the belt using the Treadmill's interactive training platform, IFIT. Included with the Treadmill is a 30-day IFIT trial membership, offering hundreds of instructor-led running, hiking, walking, and strength workouts that auto-adjust your speed and incline levels based on instructor cues. Speed and incline levels are also easy to manually adjust mid-run, which we appreciate for optimal focus. Throughout testing, we really enjoyed running and walking through scenic routines played out on the crisp display. Unlike Echelon's Stride Auto Fold connected treadmill, this product doesn't fold flat, so it's best for larger spaces or home gyms. But we did find it super easy to fold to a 45-degree angle to save some space. Number 5. Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Treadmill. This Horizon treadmill is loaded with features that will make your home workout a breeze. In addition to Bluetooth connectivity and a one-step hydraulic folding system, the treadmill has truly unique speed and incline controls. The quick dial controls let you adjust the speed and incline without breaking your stride by spinning a dial on the end of an arm positioned in front of the control panel. When testing this treadmill, we found this adjustment mechanism much easier to use than push-button controls. However, we noted that it's easy to overshoot your target speed or incline if you move the dials too quickly. The speed and incline change quickly, and the motion is smooth and quiet, so there's no disruption to your runs. The treadmill has an extra long belt that made us confident we wouldn't fall off the back during workouts. And we like how easy it is to connect to devices and apps without an added subscription. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.